Real life Angry Birds challenge. Yes. Just practice. Now, here's the first level. Wait. No! Retry. Wait, you guys, can you see this? Oh. Sorry. Sorry about all the flashing lights. If you want to see my face, what I'm saying, if you want to see my face, then here it is. Voila. Do you think I look cool? Do I? Okay. You know the camera I hate. Sorry. This is the cut. I know I didn't do that. I know you're watching this because I will make you watch it. You saw that? You saw that! No, Jada, you saw that! You saw that! Or if you're someone else, sorry, you're not Nadia and Jada. This is what I'm using to shoot it. And this little piggy here went to destroy the place. Destroy them all! Destroy, I say, destroy! Hey guys, I'm gonna have to stop right here. Well, sorry. Don't yell at me. I know this is short. I just want to listen to some music. That's it. That's all. So if you like this, be sure to put a like. Look, me and you, we just don't get along. This is my outro. Me and you just don't get along. Yeah, okay. We're leaving this video. This is how we gonna go. If this is how I'm gonna leave the earth, this is how I'm gonna have to go. First you're gonna ask me if I'm gonna know. Then I'm gonna be like, no, what then you gonna say? That's why I'm saying this sucker is telling me something, then gonna be like, no, now he's telling me about you. Look what I done in life. Look at my done. Look what I done look what I done in my life. You know? Look what I done in my life. Grandma!
Why you messing with that?
It's on.
What?
It's on my
The TV is not on.
Come here.
The cable is not on.
Come here.
Yeah, but the TV is not. The cable is not on. Watch.
Look on.
It's not on.
Look on.
It's not on. Please.
Yeah.
Your services are suspended. To make a payment now, visit Optimum Net.
But it just told me to turn on.
What?
It just told me to turn on.
Well, we gotta pay the bill first.